Hello dear students, very good morning all of you. We are going to start chapter 2 second part, in which we have to study about the measurement of our length. Okay, means whatever the things we have to measure only the length. Okay, in this topic, prior to this topic, in the previous video we have studied about length, its units and its some conversion there. Okay, now we will going to start the topic instrument used to measure lengths. लेंथ्स को मेजर करने के लिए जो हमें इंस्ट्रूमेंट की जरूरत पड़ती है, द रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ दैट इंस्ट्रूमेंट, basically about these instruments we are going to study. Okay, how we use these instruments, what is the appropriate way to use these instruments, that we have to study in this topic. Which type of instruments used by whom? Okay, basically that we have to understand in this topic. Now come to the point. The instruments we basically used in measurement are the meter scale, okay, the measuring tape and ruler. Okay, meter scale. Come to the point. What is meter scale? Okay, what is meter scale? Basically, meter scale consists of 100 divisions. It is a long stick like structure. It is made up of wood, maybe of steel. Basically, the cloth merchants were used this stick. Okay, it contains 100 divisions. 100 such divisions are in the meters. Okay, basically it is used by cloth merchants. Now come to the point. A meter scale has 100 divisions. Okay, each division is equal to 1 centimeter. ये 0 up to 100. Okay, and it contains 100 divisions, like such divisions. Okay, in these such divisions, 100 divisions, so on. Okay, each centimeter has 10 small divisions. I am zooming it. One division, such like 0, between the 0 and 1, again there is a 10 division. From 0 and 1, from 0 to 1 there is a 10 division. Okay, that is millimeter. Okay, each centimeter has 10 small division. Each small division is equal to 1 millimeter. Okay, as we have studied in last class that 10 mm is equal to 1 centimeter. So there is a 10 division between 0 to 1 centimeter. 0 to 1 centimeter, there is a 10 small division, that is called as what? mm. That's one division of this portion. This 1 centimeter is divided into 10 parts, and one portion is equal to 1 millimeter. Okay, so you understand that a meter scale is a simple long stick. Either it is made up of metal or wood. Okay, and it contains 100 division of centimeters. Each is equal to 1 centimeter. In there, one division of centimeter, from 1 to 0 to 1 centimeter, there is again what 10 small division that contains each division contains 1 millimeter. Okay, so this is the part of what a meter scale. Now come to a ruler. Basically, meter scale used for measuring 1 meter cloths, 2 meter cloths, a smaller value. Okay. Similarly, a smaller than the meter, we use a ruler that we use in class. That is a ruler of 15 centimeter. Okay, that is called as a ruler. A ruler has a centimeter and inch marking. एक रूलर के पास सेंटीमीटर होता है और इंच मार्किंग होता है. ओके, each centimeter is divided into 10 millimeter as I have mentioned here in the meter scale. Same division is here. 1 inch approximately equal to 2.5 centimeter. Means in a ruler there is two things denoted, that is centimeter or inch. Okay, and 1 inch is equal to approximately 2.5 centimeter. Okay, so where is meter scale used? Meter scale basically used for measuring 1 to 20 meters approx clothes. Where is ruler used? Ruler is used for measuring what up to 10 centimeter, 15 centimeter, 20 centimeters. Basically we use in our classrooms, copies to sketching some measurements, drawing geometrical shapes. Okay, there we use what? A ruler. Now the next is the measuring tab. For measuring larger distance means for larger distance we cannot use what? Meter scale or ruler. We use what? Measuring tab. Basically, come to the point of what is measuring tab. Basically, it is made from a glass cotton. Basically, it is made of cloth, cotton cloth. Okay, glass cotton ribbon. It is generally 50 meter to 100 meter long. That much long distance. By whom it is used? Basically, it is used by carpenter. Okay, building makers means engineers. Okay, by them it is used basically. In generally 50 to 100 meter long it is. All along the tab are printed. All along the tab are printed markings in millimeters, centimeter, and meters. Means that it is a long cloth where there is a marking. Like such I am representing there. There is a long cloth where there is a marking both in centimeter, millimeter, in centimeter, okay, and meter. These all marks are present in the measuring tab. Okay. Now, precaution while taking measurement. This is very important point. You have to understand that while measuring, what precautions you have to take. Okay, if you do not able to take these precautions, definitely your calculation will be wrong. Means you measure whatever you measured, definitely will be goes wrong. If you don't take precautions while measuring, definitely. Come to the first point. Place the object on a flat surface. Definitely, whatever the object you have to measure, please put it on the flat surface. Put it on the flat surface. Like this book is a flat, okay? Definitely put it on the flat surface and then start measuring it. Okay? First, you have to do this activity. Otherwise, if you place it in the uneven surface like this, and then you are going to measure it, definitely your measuring may be wrong. Okay? Keep the ruler as close as possible to the object. This is my ruler. Okay, let's assume that this pen is a ruler. Okay, and I have to measure this duster's length. Okay, so we make this as close as possible. We cannot see like that. Yeah, it is equal to. No, you have to bring the object or the measuring instrument as close as possible. Okay. Now come to the point. Next, ensure that 0 mark of the ruler is placed at the beginning end of the object. If you have to measure this cluster and this is your scale, ensure that the 0 mark is at the beginning of the object whatever you are going to measure. Okay. Next point, keep your eye vertically above the point where you have to measure. Definitely, if you are measuring this cluster by this scale, we have assumed that this is a scale. Okay, so put it in and look from top, not from the side, this side, not. You have to keep your eyes from the top. You have to view the reading from the top. Okay. So, if you don't do this, if you look from this side or from this side, from left side or from right side, not from the vertical, definitely there will be an error. That error is called as parallax error. Parallax error. The error that occurs due to incorrect positioning of the eye. Basically, you have to read the what mark or see the mark from the top by closing your one eye. Which will reduce the parallax error. Okay. Now, one topic is also remaining here. That topic is if your scale is broken. Let's say that if your scale is broken, let's say assume that this is my scale and it had been broken from somewhere. There is no starting reading from 0. It is not able to read it from 0. And I have to measure some objects from this scale. How will I manage it? Okay. If it has no 0 reading, then I will start reading from 2. There is a marking of 2 which is from less than 2, it has been broken part. Okay, so I will start reading from 2. Okay, if I will start reading from 2, for example, I have measured this object, this length, and my scale is reading from 2 and it reads up to 7. Okay, then what will be the actual length of that object? That will be 7 minus 2, that is 5 centimeter. Basically, अगर आपका स्केल टूट गया है, जिसके 0 रीडिंग नहीं है, तो उसको अगर उससे हमें मेजर करना है किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को, तो मैं क्या करूंगा? मैं जो रीडिंग स्टार्ट हो रहा है, जितने रीडिंग से वो स्टार्ट हो रहा है, उतने रीडिंग से मैं मेजर कर लूंगा. फाइनल रीडिंग में से उसको क्या करूंगा? सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दूंगा and then we will get the exact length of that object. Okay, thank you, bye.